Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can send Arbitrum from Binance to Metamask. In that case, what you have to do is you just have to simply go ahead and log into Binance account. On this page, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and press the add button from the top right hand side corner. When you actually do that, you'll need to go ahead and select Arbitrum. So while you're on this page, what you have to do is go to your profile page from the top right, and then on this page you need to go to more services. So here you need to go ahead and locate spot. When you locate spot, you need to go ahead and select the asset. So first of all, you have to go to the wallet and go to spot. When you're on this page, you need to go ahead and select withdraw. So click on the search box and type in Arbitrum. When you locate ARB or Arbitrum, then you need to go ahead and select you want to send by crypto network or send by email or phone number. So email, send by crypto address. Now you need to go ahead and copy the wallet address from your Metamask wallet account and then paste in right on this page. When you actually do that, you'll be able to send Arbitrum from Binance to Metamask wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.